What if you woke up with $1 million? You could buy cars, houses, anything you want, but it would eventually run out. So today, Mr. Beast gave us $1 million. And our challenge is simple. Turn 1 million into lifetime money. If we fail, we lose everything. Meet our character. He lives in the USA. He has no family support, no education advantage, no job. He sleeps wherever he can. Some nights hungry, some nights scared. But he has one thing most people don't. He thinks long term. He believes if I think small, I die poor. If I think big, I survive. This story is not about luck, it's about thinking under pressure. Before spending even $1, we set strict rules. Rule number 1, no luxury. Rule number 2, no gambling, crypto hype or shortcuts. Rule number 3, money can only go into business, investment, real estate. Rule number 4, if he wastes money, the challenge ends. Now let's start from absolute zero. First problem, hunger. A hungry man cannot think. So first we buy food, not fancy food, no restaurant food, just survival food. Cost $10. Money calculation. $1 million minus $10 is equals to $9,99,990. This $10 doesn't look important, but without it, nothing else matters. Next problem, sleep. Sleep on the street means no safety, no focus, no future. So instead of buying a house, he rents a small apartment. Why rent? Because buying freezes money. Rent keep money flexible. Monthly rent $1,000. Money left $9,99,990 minus $1,000 is equals to $9,98,990. Now he has food, shelter, stability. Now the real games begins. This is where the most people fail. Most people say I deserve comfort now. Our character says I deserve freedom later. No car, no brands, no flex. He's create one rule: assets before lifestyle. This one rule will decide everything. Real estate sounds boring, but yeah, boring builds wealth. So he buys his first property, cost him 300 grand. Money left 9,98,990 minus 300, that's 6,98,990. He doesn't even live there now. He rents it out. $2,000 a month, that's 24k a year. And this money, it hits every month, even when he does nothing. This right here, this is the moment he stopped being actually homeless. Step 4, investment. Now he had diversifies. He ain't putting everything in one place. He drops 200k into index fund, blue chip, US companies, long-term growth stock. Money left 6,98,990 minus 2 lakh is equals to 4,98,990. Average return 8 to 10% a year. That's like 16 to 20 grand every year. Slow money, safe money, smart money. Now we talk active income. He start a boring business, and yeah, boring on purpose. Cause boring businesses pay the bill. Food truck, laundry, storage units, cleaning services. He invests to 150k. Money left 4,98,990 minus 150k is equals to 3,48,990. Monthly profit 4 to 6 grand. Now money coming from everywhere. Rent, investment, business. This right here. This is stability, compounding and time. Here's the real secret. He doesn't upgrade his lifestyle fast. No crazy spending. Instead, he reinvests, buy more assets. What if he failed? Let's be real. One bad move and it's all gone. One luxury car, one price investment, one emotional decision. That's it. Game over. That's why discipline matters. He started with nothing. Homeless, hungry, alone. Now he has got assets, income, security. And this proves one thing. Money doesn't change people. Think does. So let me ask you, if you were handed $1 million, would you survive or would you lose it all? And if you want part 2, so comment down where we scale this to 10 million. Subscribe.